Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going camping at a provincial park. Place is pretty cool. There's a few rock formations that we're gonna go check out while we're there. I'm gonna have a campfire for a change, and yeah, cook up some wicked burgers. So yeah, so I'm just driving out there. I'll see you when we get there. Hey everyone, so I made it to the campsite. It's pretty awesome. There's a fair amount of snow here. Had to clean off the picnic table, but I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna be able to use it anyways. It's covered in ice. So I think I'll just use the back of my truck if I really want to sit. Have some firewood happening right there. I may use it. I brought a bundle of my own, but I'm only gonna have a fire long enough to be able to eat my supper and stuff anyways. And yeah, I think we might go and cruise around a little bit and just hang out, and then I will probably see you at Beer 30. Whew. Temperature's definitely dropping and I'm losing sunlight. I would say it's probably going to be dark in at least 3 hours. Usually 5:30 it's going to be pretty dark. I'm still thinking I'm probably going to have a fire, and I'm going to cook some burgers over the fire. Yeah. Laziness. I just can't get my butt together to find other things to cook. I always leave it to the last minute. I'm so flippin' bad. All right. Well, you know what time it is. Hopefully this beer's good. Pineapple Blonde. Yeah, baby. Happy Beer 30. Brewed in Calgary by Borden Brewing Company. Well, I'm gonna have to get rid of this so I can open this beer. Yeah. Ooh. It's alright. It's a little hoppy, but it's definitely not the worst one I've ever had. Has a little bit of hop in it. It's alright. Yeah, I'd probably drink that again. I can deal with that kind of hops. Like it's not overpowering. Some of them are just like out of control for me. I'm definitely not an IPA guy at all. Tell you the truth, one of my first times here, I think my very first video, I had a really hoppy beer that wasn't very good. I didn't end up finishing it, but yeah, here you go. Changed out my jacket because that other jacket is good, but you wear it at work, so it's getting a little trashed, so it's not as warm as it once was. This one's pretty good. If it gets any worse, I have my winter jacket here. I brought 3 jackets. I'm prepared for everything. This jacket's pretty good. I got my hoodie, got some gloves on. Yeah. Yeah, I think I have a couple movies on my computer tonight. If not, I have cell phone here, so it's gonna be okay. Yeah, so happy anniversary to me. By the time this video comes out, it's gonna be basically 1 year for me being on YouTube. So much has changed. Got my 1,000 subscribers, my 4,000 watch hours, and yeah, hopefully this next year will be good. I'll see some growth in the channel. So I picked myself up a snack. I don't think they charged me enough for it, and same with those hamburgers, because she only charged me like 10 bucks, and the burgers alone were 10 bucks. Yeah, I know, expensive. I got 4, but they're from a butcher. They're awesome. All right, I'm gonna hang out some more. I'm nursing my finger. It hurts a lot, and it won't stop bleeding. So I sliced it pretty good on my drone. First time out, I almost lost it. Had it out, lost connection with the remote, and it took off. It's just a good thing it decided to reconnect it at the last minute and then came back to the home location that I set. But that was weird. I don't know why it did that. I was close enough. It was bizarre. I must have been just in a dead zone or something. All right, I'm gonna hang out. I'm gonna drink this beer, and then I think I'll see you when I make supper. Thawed out. All right. Sorry about the lighting situation. I don't think you're gonna see that at all, but it got flipping dark fast. And yeah, got dark really fast. So fire's just a burning. I took the grill off. Hopefully it'll cool down a bit. Yeah, sorry, but yeah, the lighting situation all of a sudden just died. I don't know. I have no idea what to do. Nope. We're gonna just put it right there for now. It is it's maybe a little bit too bright, but whatever. All right. I'm gonna eat this up, and then I think I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna let this fire burn for a bit, but honestly, my lighting situation is pretty much toast, and I wish I had like just an area light, but I don't. I have these little spotlights, and they don't do the best job in the world. So I will see you in the morning. All right. Have a good one. Bye. Oh, that's right. Morning, everyone. I do not want to get out of the back of my truck. I'm nice and toasty. But yeah, it's about that time. Alright, I'm gonna get my butt up, and I'll see you on the outside of my truck. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna make a coffee. Alright, see you then. Hey everyone, well, I'm on the outside of my truck. I'm in the process of making a coffee. She is definitely chilly this morning. I would say probably feels like minus 15. So, alright, I will see you on when I'm driving out. I'm just gonna make this coffee as fast as I possibly can, and then I'm out of here. Alright, I'll see you then. Hey everyone, in the truck, coffee made. Yeah, it was a good night. It's about -7 right now, so, but it feels way colder down, so it might be a little humid. But yeah, it was good. Had a little bit of frost on the inside of my topper, but hey, that comes with a part of camping in the wintertime. So, okay, I'm gonna close it out here, and I will see you on the next one. Have a good one. Bye.